Hello, my good people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Welcome to today's program. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. In this channel, I bring the news to you, how it happened, the importance and implications with regards to politics, economy, socio-cultural, and other perspectives. The video you're about to watch is with regards to the aftermath of Nigerian military invasion of Olru. Because after the military invaded Olru, continuously terrorizing the people as usual, you can imagine in some of the videos that I posted earlier, you will see where some military men lay down with their sniper guns. That is unethical. That is unethical to military practices all over the globe. For military to go into residential arena like that with such a gun, and also for military to do the work of the police in such an environment or civil right related issues. It is also unethical for military to go into residential community like that, where civilians lives, to continuously shoot sporadically, as at what we with regards to what we obtained in the videos I posted have been issued. You need to watch them to also follow up this. It is also unethical with regards to military practices all over the globe for armored cars to be moved into civilian environment where there is no such call for maybe occurrences like terrorism. All of a sudden the military moves in, shooting sporadically, moving armored cars around, simply to intimidate the people and subject them to slavery in the so-called one Nigeria. So my point is, it's uncivil for such contraption and the mess we witness in it. So drop your comment at the comment section, share your views and perspectives as well. So then you take your time to watch the aftermath. That's after the Eastern Security Network intervened, after a long hours of military sporadic shootings. Take a look at the videos.
Yeah, our car now is ablaze in Olru. Even Olru local government is on fire. Everywhere is on fire, as you can see. Olru local government is on fire now. This is the way things are in Olru. Every poster of the governor is being put down. Every poster of.
This is happening live in Olru now. This is Amausa at Olru, at the back of the stadium, Imo State. Olru happening live now. Like, if you're in Olru, this is happening at popularly a place called Amausa in Olru, Imo State. I'm not yet familiar with the information that we are getting, so I need to be sure before telling you what is happening. Yes, I don't want to give fake information. No, I'm not good at that. I'll be sure before I say anything. But this is actually what is happening now. Yes, this is happening now at Olru. This is a place called Amausa, yes, in Imo State. I'm not really good with fake information, so I'm not going to feed you with fake information. I just came out now because everywhere was hot. Very, very hot. I just came out now to take a video to show you what is happening in Imo State, Olru, yes, at Amausa. This is Choma Juliet reporting for Young's TV. Yes. They're still run everywhere. They are still shooting. They are still shooting. And an Hausa man is dead there. An Hausa man is dead and he's lying there. I can't go close to that place. No, not me. Not me, oh. And people are packing their goods, as you can see. People are packing their goods, running away with some properties, some goods, clothes, bags, slippers. As you can see, this boy, I'm not talking. See this boy with the full, everybody carry. See. There's run now. There's run. Yeah, I'm shifting back. I cannot stay there. I'm shifting back. This is happening at Olru, Imo State. See goose where this boy is parked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I go close to that? Can I go close to that? People is running. You are Igbo now. You are Igbo. Hey, but when do you care Sanga? Nda usakwa. Where are Richard? Wait, boy, you know the person?
The person not here.
The person is dead, right? Dead. Oh my god. Let me see. You have the video. Just show the bit video.
Inside the fire. No, there, in that shop.
Just open the video now.
Remove your hand. Let me fast forward it.
Boss, remove your hand down.
Hold on, I will show you. She wants to video it.
I can't even see.
You cannot see. Look at it. Look at the boy. 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 Look at the boy dead now.
Yeah, I've seen it. Oh my god, the fire is still. Oh my god.
Mother, I thought so.
Wait, how can we say Balagan? What do you mean? Or why I can't? What do you mean?
I would have had a boom.
Are you serious? And don't really care about Ajimwe get back home, Abi. All right. Ebeka Ajimwe that place now. Oh my God. How?